How to replace old cotton fiber on a smok tfv12 Prince Q4 coil. Remove the coil from the tank and flush it with running water for 30 seconds to 1 minute. After cleaning it with running water to remove the accumulated gunk, remove the positive base tin cup. Remove the rubber gasket that separates the positive and negative pole of the coil. Use a flat screwdriver if necessary if you don't have a long nail, so it will not be difficult to pick it. Now push the coil bar with the old cotton fiber away from the coil housing very gently. Gently take out the old cotton fiber. Be careful not to bend or break coil. Remove any remaining gunk, if any, that is not washed away by the running water. Using a flat screwdriver, scrape it. Get a new cotton fiber, flax fiber, bamboo fiber, or any vet cotton fiber available to you. Cut a small pieces about the size of the coil and compile it together. You can drop a little e-juice to the fiber to make it intact together. Adjust hit. Insert it between the positive and negative end pole of the coil to separate it. Cut another cotton fiber lengthwise. No need to soak in e-juice this time. Wrap it up to the coil, but not too tight or not too loose. We need it to hold the juice and not drip it. Now insert it back gently to the coil case. Using a flat screwdriver, push it slowly until it's completely go in place. Check for airflow. Be sure to leave a hollow space in the middle of the coil. Negative end pole should touch any part of the coil housing. Return the rubber gasket that separates the negative and positive pole. Compress the positive end of the coil with the positive tin cup cover against the rubber separator. Voila! Alala! As good as new. Good for another week, until the next DIY tutorials. Subscribe, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching Looney Vlogs.